I mean, if this was a agri issue, I will look for the Secretary of Agriculture. The burden here shouldn't be only on the head of delegation because he's just doing his job. That's why, ma'am, I'm emotional about the secretary not being here. He's supposed to, this is his platform. When he was not yet secretary, he stood up for anti-tobacco. He promised me na ma-confirm lang siya, tatayuan niya to. If Yusek Charles was here, he would also be given instruction. Siya yung nakaupo dyan, pero hindi naman siya ang pwedeng sumagot for DA-DOH. So, can you please text the secretary so that we'll not need to subpoena him for the next hearing? That's why, mas gusto ng tobacco companies yung state. Kasi mas madali nilang i-mold yung utak ng politicians than yung doctors. Kasi yung doctors, mapapaya sila if mag-pro-tobacco sila. Diba? And they're the experts. Diba? That's why the makers of this law wanted DTI, not FDA, to look into the contents. Can you imagine ang shampoo FDA? Nilalagay mo lang sa buhok yun. Oh. Samantalang yung vape, ipapasok mo sa katawan mo, ayaw nilang padaanin sa FDA. Gusto nilang padaanin. So, it's really ridiculous. Diba? And for those of you hearing this for the first time, it is ridiculous. It does happen. And when we get mad at you and point a finger at you, we're pointing 3 more fingers at ourselves because it was legislation. But that's why, ma'am, I'm emotional about the secretary not being here. He's supposed to, this is his platform. When he was not yet secretary, he stood up for anti-tobacco. He promised me na ma-confirm lang siya, tatayuan niya to. Because sa confirmation, meron mga pro-tobacco. Oh, he left yesterday, di ba? He couldn't leave today. Hindi pwedeng iba mag-represent sa kanya sa Korea kasi donation ng TB drugs. Hindi ba fully funded ang TB drugs sa atin?
Yes,
hindi ba fully covered din ng PhilHealth yung TB drugs?
Madam Chair, Senator, the event is for today, so he had to leave yesterday.
Okay. And it's on TB drugs,
yes,
which is fully funded naman by PhilHealth and by DOH.
We will still need the funds.
Can you check? Sa Taguig, late kayong nag-deliver. Hindi kayo nag-deliver ng TB drugs. Walang biruan. It was a big issue for us 1 month ago.
I'm told it's late all over the country. And
yeah.
That's
so
possible.
That's my point.
Also.
I mean, if this was a agri issue, I will look for the Secretary of Agriculture. The burden here shouldn't be only on the head of delegation because he's just doing his job. If Yusek Charles was here, he would also be given instruction. Siya yung nakaupo dyan, pero hindi naman siya ang pwedeng sumagot for DA-DOH. So, can you please text the secretary so that we'll not need to subpoena him for the next hearing? Will he guarantee that he'll be in the next hearing or do we have to subpoena him? Please, para
yes,
malinaw
Madam
tayo.
Chair,
Kasi
Senator.
I want to know how hard he fought for, you can tell him this para fully prepared. I want to know how much he advocated the anti-tobacco stand before this delegation left. Last 2 points, Madam Chair. DepEd, nandito po DepEd. Sir, question lang, nasa curriculum ba, tinuturo ba that smoking is bad for us and
yes,
tobacco
sir.
is bad? So,
yes,
so ano yan? Covered yan?
Yes, sir.
Kasi, you know, in the early years of Singapore, so many problems. One problem was racial unity or diversity or unity in diversity. And the Chinese Singaporeans wouldn't join the military and the police. Ang ginawa ni Lee Kuan Yew, DepEd, 10 years, baguhin nyo yan. They changed the attitudes of people. So in 10 years, sumali na ng military at police yung Chinese Singaporeans. They had a much better balance na. So I should have said more like this when I started in 2028 kasi when you're young, you look at 3 years, 6 years. When you're older, nakikita mo na if I started working pala on the tobacco farmers in 1998, if I started talking to them, of course, the Senator Pia only came in 2004, no? But you get my point, no? So maybe you can submit to the committee lang paano to tinuturo. Because the reality is, for example, government now, again, Senior Deputy, yes, not only this government, last government yung online sabong, ngayon online casino. Napakahirap kasi that we make it legal. Then we tell, di ba kasi children copy what parents do. They do not listen to what parents say. So if the government says, wag kayo magsugal, work hard, but nababasa nila PAGCOR record 50 billion, PCSO online na. May cellphone yung 10-year-old eh. Di ba? So I'd really like to see how DepEd is dealing with the vices. And bawal naman talaga mag-advertise ang tabako, no? So what's my last point for farmers expert? Yeah, siguro Madam Chair, because we have last 10 minutes, I'll give it back to you. But I just like to pursue yung kay Deputy Executive Secretary na we're interested what will happen next. But magka-age tayo, di ba? More or less. Tama ba, di ba?
Maraming salamat. Mas matanda po ko.
Konti lang. I mean, but magka-generation naman tayo.
6 years, sir.
Okay.
5 years.
Tayo, Charles.
Sir, I'm 10 years older.
Okay. So, sorry, but more or less magka-generation tayo. Napanood niyo yung West Wing? Di ba? So, there's nothing wrong na in one government, nag-argue yung different branches. There's nothing wrong that agriculture is arguing for tobacco and the DOH is arguing anti-tobacco. You might say kasi pag nag-away-away dito yung opisyal, ang gulo ng Marcos administration. Hindi po. In each administration, kung ano sakop mo, so makikita mo yung superpowers, yung military, pwedeng gusto nang gumante, yung diplomats, usap muna. Di ba? Yung scientist, gustong ganito, yung commerce. So, for example, in developing countries, yung Department of Commerce or Industry, ayaw na yung mga clean air, etc. Kasi nga, maganda takbo ng negosyo. Pero yung Department of Environment nila, let's be responsible. Di ba? Tayo nagpro-produce niyan, so we have to be. So, I just want the public to know that it is not anyway an indication of any chaos or disagreement in government when policy is being discussed. In the same way that there is a civil way for the House to push for charter change and for the Senate to respond, di ba? Kaya kami may buy kami. So I'm really hoping tempers will calm down. But I do understand kasi mismo temper ko. I'm sorry to the DOH. I didn't mean to be ganun abrasive. You can take my blood pressure later. I think bumaba na. But I'm sorry for being like that. But it's just such a sensitive issue na to. Because nga, every single day, how many people die every day of tobacco related? I think 321 a day. So every single day na hindi natin na-solve to, you multiply that. So look at the 10-year. I don't think we can solve the problem ng tobacco farmers in 3 years, 5 years. Maybe 5, maybe 10 years. If we really work on it, di ba? But every single day that we delay, ganun karami ang namamatay at sa tobacco-related pa lang yun. Di ba? Ang vape at e-cigs magkaiba eh. Di ba? Oo. And lumalabas pa lang ang research sa vape ngayon. So let me close with this. I remember nung first term akong congressman, excited na excited ako because first time ko makakita ng instant na tubig na nalilinis. So from the Laguna Lake, they were getting water, then handing it out. Since I was the congressman doon sa Taguig, sa tabi ng lake, I got a glass, I drank it. Masarap, malinis, clean. So I went to my dad telling him about it. He gave me the look and said, maghintay muna tayo ng 1 month kung okay o hindi. And I realized I was so fast. I was using my eyes. Diba? I did not take a sample kung may amoeba ba yun, may bacteria or whatever. So that's a congressman who can make that mistake. So I'll end this way. Hindi ba trabaho natin to warn people, guys? Hindi pa natin sure sa epekto ng vape. But at the meantime, we will tell you what is in it para maka-decide kayo. That's why si President Duterte noon, ayaw niyan may flavors. Kasi may scientific evidence na yung flavors, yung nilalagay nilang chemicals is really harmful. So I would really like us to have a policy that will help farmers, help those who will be affected by the shift in the industry, but also, diba, na we already start warning young people of this. Kasi the reality is, diba, I mean, I think decades na silang bawal mag-advertise, diba? Kasi yung una nilang advertising, they really made people look cool eh. I saw the advertising when they started targeting women and parang cool din ang women pag naninigarilyo. And the reality is rin talaga, di ba? Even in high school ganyan, parang mas cool ka talaga kapag di ba? Until you reach our age and mataas na cholesterol mo, mataas na sugar mo, di ba? Then we realize yung inom natin only, yung kaka-smoke natin only is bad. So, it's our job to warn them. So, Madam Chair, thank you very much for that. And to the whole delegation, thank you for being here.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Nat Garcia, sige Senator Alan, pigain mo lahat ang mga magnanakaw, hindi na nahiya sa mga sarili nila. Pahayag naman ni Harold de la Torre, lahat ng sinabi ni Senador Alan ay tama, walang idudulot na mabuti ang kumpanya ng tobacco sa ating kalusugan. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Orca. Alam niyo naman mga senator at congressman na corruption ang problem. Huwag niyo gawin example ang Singapore kung kayo mismo ay part ng corruption. Alam niyo yan at hindi niyo makakailayan. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.